Hi, it's Gina with WTI. And some of the reasons that we like this shampoo from REFORIAN are that we've seen improvement in the appearance of fullness in my husband's hair, and also with consistent use that his dry and flaky scalp has started to improve. This shampoo has all the things in it that I look for in a quality product. It has tea tree oil and rosemary. We found that both of those can really help to improve the appearance of the scalp. This also has biotin, zinc, and coconut in it. Just as important as what's in this shampoo is what's not in it. So we love that it doesn't have sulfates, silicone, or parabens, among other things. It's important to get into a good routine of using this consistently and make sure you do leave it on your hair for 3 to 4 minutes so that your scalp can really absorb in everything. This shampoo has a very fresh and clean scent to it thanks to the tea tree oil. We think you should check it out, but that's just our point of view.